everyone, and welcome to our video on gift vouchers. Gift vouchers are a great way to promote your business and increase your revenue. To create a gift voucher, simply go to Gift Voucher Setup. Add a name, like $50 voucher. If the voucher is going to have a set fee, place this amount here. If it's going to be a variable price, add the minimum amount here and set variable to yes. To create a sense of urgency for guests to redeem this voucher, gift vouchers are set to expire. You can adjust this default amount of time from your instance settings. By adding an inventory item here, if a gift voucher expires, this will absorb the unused gift voucher credit. Add your description for your voucher and the default contact template to be sent with this gift voucher. Select whether your guests will be able to purchase and redeem this gift voucher type, and then save. Once added, you can add an image. This will appear online when guests go to purchase the voucher. Staff can manually sell a voucher by selecting Sell Gift Voucher here, or from the Gift Voucher Setup page. This will give you the option to select different voucher types. NewBook can automatically generate a code, or you can personalize this, along with the expiry date. The purchaser refers to who is purchasing the gift voucher. You can leave the recipient field blank. However, if you want to lock this voucher in so only the particular guest can redeem it, add their name in here. You can also edit expiry dates if required, or send contact to send the voucher. Staff can manually redeem a voucher by going to the booking, add new, redeem gift voucher, and enter the code. This will confirm how much is left on the gift voucher and the expiry date. You can adjust the amount to be redeemed if required, and click Redeem. This will appear as a credit on their client account. For guests to purchase and redeem this online, you can view this from the NewBook Online Links page, Purchase Gift Voucher. You can embed this link on your main web page or in your contact templates to allow guests to access this page and purchase the voucher online. Once purchased, this can then be redeemed on the checkout page. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check out our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides.